In the Timeline panel, the user can see the activities performed during a given work shift per day. To change the work shift to be considered in the timeline, from the Hamburger menu, go to the Settings page, and under the User submenu, access the Dashboard panel. Select the start of the shift in the From drop-down list and the end of the shift in the To drop-down list. Returning to the Timeline panel, you will see that the selected shift is the one considered now. The day to be displayed can be changed by selecting one of the predefined options, today or yesterday, or choose a specific interval in the Custom option. Once the start and end dates are selected, tap the button below the dates to process the change. The timelines for each day will be displayed on the panel. The user can zoom in on all displayed timelines at the same time by tapping the magnifying glass button and sliding the cursor in the bar to the right. Move the timelines horizontally by tapping the timeline and sliding your finger to the left or right. You can also adjust the zoom of a single timeline by pinching the screen with two fingers and spreading them apart to zoom in, or bringing them together to zoom out. Tapping on any part of the timeline graph will display the details of that activity, such as the duration, start and end time, fuel consumption, and fuel level. At the bottom of the panel, the user can access the fuel consumption since the last engine start, and this information is divided into production and non-production periods. Tapping on double chevron symbols allows the user to collapse or expand the panel information. Tap on the information icon to display the production summary charts. Tap on any bar in the charts to reveal more details about the data. Tapping on the download button at the bottom of the pop-up will prompt the user to confirm data export. Tap Download to save a PDF report of the production summary on the user's device. To exit the production summary pop-up, tap the X in the top right-hand corner. To export the timelines, tap on the Download button at the right of the timeline panel header. Once the file is created, a pop-up will prompt the user to tap the download icon. After the download is complete, the user can select the downloaded document to view on mobile, where they will be able to zoom in or out for viewing.